Hey there video shooters, it's Baron here and have we got a treat for you because in this episode the Canon EOS C, do I hear C for cinema? Yes you did! The Canon EOS R5C, it's a full frame sensor, huge sensor. The Canon EOS R5C is bringing you absolutely gorgeous 8K footage right here, right now. Camera is rolling in 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi everyone, my name is Erin and I'm from WolFang Multimedia Training Center. And I love making videos. At WolFang Multimedia Training Center, we have lots of training courses. Come and check us out.
Here are 8 things that we love about the R5C that will help to level up your cinematic shooting. The R5C is a mirrorless camera with a full-frame sensor. One of the most incredible features of the R5C is its ability to shoot 45 megapixel stills and record internally up to 8K 60 frames per second raw videos. You've got cinema EOS quality right in your hands. With the new 3-position power dial, photography and videography can be toggled between 2 separate systems, turning your camera into a stills camera or a video camera. This is a true hybrid system. The big red record button. You can't miss it even if you tried. Who has missed a recording because the record button was too small and poorly placed? Now you're sure to capture every important scene because the stills shutter and video record button is one and the same. What's more, to ensure that you're really recording videos, the new tele light is there to remind you that you're really rolling. It goes red when you're recording and it flashes red when your battery needs charging. Breathe in and breathe out. Like a jet aircraft intake but without the noise. The internal fan keeps the camera cool and prevents any overheating, giving the R5C the ability to record HD, 4K or 8K, giving you non-stop recording, letting you shoot videos continuously up to your heart's content till the cows come home or you run out of memory card space, whichever comes first. At first glance, the R5C may look heavier than other mirrorless brands. It may even look wider and taller, but that makes handheld shooting more secure and more importantly, it fits and balances exceptionally well on a gimbal. The gimbal that I'm using here is a Zheyun Gimbal 2 and they are perfect together. On my R5C, I have a Canon RF24 105mm f4 L series lens with image stabilization. I have turned on phase priority autofocus. The autofocus of this lens is sharp, accurate and really fast, as you can see from the videos that I've shown you.
At WolFang Multimedia Training Center, we have lots of training courses.
Here is one little treat that Canon has installed for us that not many of us know about. When it's time to change your lens, what do? You try to point your camera down to protect the sensor from dust when you remove and replace your lens, correct? With the R5C, when the camera is switched off, the shutter drops down to provide a protective shield for the sensor. Now that is just so cool because not many other brands out there has this feature. This lets you change your lens under extreme environments and protects your sensor from dust, sand and stuff. Video shooters, the protective shutter for your EOS cinema system. So video shooters, who do you think the R5C is for? I think it fits right between pro photographers and pro videographers who are creating high-end video content. With a still capture speed of 20 frames per second and raw video recording of 8K 60 frames per second, you're really getting two cameras in one body. Well, thanks for watching video shooters. We hope you found our video helpful. Any questions, put them down into the comments, and we hope you will like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and video related content. It's Baron here. Gear up, go out there and shoot it great!